Corey Jones here with J-Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to test the headlight circuit and the brake light circuit on this central right here. So I'm going to start by checking for power. I have my test light connected to the ground of the battery, and I'm checking the two headlight fuses right here, and they appear to have power because my test light is nice and bright, but I'm going to check it anyway. So I'm going to pull one fuse, and I'm going to check the ohms. And how I'm going to do that is I am going to zero this out first. Set that right there. And I have 0.3 ohms. And now I'm going to test the fuse. You want to look at that?
I got it.
I'm going to test the fuse. So I have it right around 0.3 with the fuse. Okay, now I'm back. Here, right here, are the headlights and turn signal connectors. But I pulled out one bulb, which is the headlight to this, and I'm going to check it for ohms as well as the connector. On this one, I established that the middle one is the ground, but they should have different resistances.
You're good.
Okay, now I have the bulb removed, and I am checking resistance on the bulb. And I'm trying to get a reading if I can get this thing to hold. And right here, you can see I have 0.8 to 0.9 ohms on the bulb. I'm going to reconnect that now. And next we're going to go check the brake lights, and then after that we're going to check the brake pedal. Okay, now I'm back, and I am going to test the ohms on the brake light and the turn signal light. Now this car, we already know that the brake lights are out, but I'm going to test these anyway to try to help see what's going on. So here, I'm going to put my meter where you can see it, and hopefully that doesn't fall on the ground. And I'm going to test this. Which I'm getting 3.0 ohms on the brake light bulb. And I'm getting 1 ohm on the turn signal, so I'm going to try the brake light again. The brake light bulb again. And I'm getting 0.5 on the brake light that time. So we've done that, and now I'm going to test the connectors, which one of these is clearly broken. Let's see if I can ever get these things held right. getting about, let's see if it'll quit moving around, about 1 point, okay. About a half an ohm. No, 0.8-ish or so. Let me zero this out again one more time. Okay, about 0.3. And I have no idea what this meter is doing, so we're going to come back. All right, Corey Jones back there again with brake with J-Tech. I am going to check the brake pedal connection now with the switch. I have this already hooked up. I had to probe the switch that's underneath the pedal because it's real hard to get to. And right now I'm going to push the pedal to see if I get an ohm reading. And I have an outer limits reading, and before that it stopped at about 1.0, but now I have outer limits, so that appears to be right. And I did all of this using Protoman. I pulled the wiring diagram off of Protoman and printed it out to make sure that I had the right schematic for the circuit, for the headlights and the brake lights. So you always want to try to use the proper information. And that's the end of my video.